Hi guys, welcome my channel Ashu tutorial. We discussion about Odisha GK. Which direction is Odisha in India, eastern part of country? When was the state Odisha established? 1 April 1936. Who is the capital city of Odisha? Answer A. Bhubaneswar. Then next question. When did Bhubaneswar become the capital city of Odisha? 1948. Who was the first chief minister of Odisha? Hare Krishna Mahatab. Who was the first woman chief minister of Odisha? Nandini Satpathy. Then, which district of Odisha has highest literary rate? Khordha. Which district of Odisha lowest literary rate? Malkangiri. Who is the largest district of Odisha? Mayurbhanj. Then the next question is, who is the smallest district of Odisha? Jagatsinghpur. How many division and subdivision in Odisha? 3 division and 58 subdivision. How many state district in Odisha? Answer 30. How many tahsil in Odisha? 317. How many blocks in Odisha? 340. Who is the known as Utkal Kesari in Odisha? Hare Krishna Mahaprabhu. What is the state animal of Odisha?